kami sa aming boarding gate. Waiting na lang kami mag-boarding. Ala,
Ilang
parang
oras?
ang puti mo, madam. Parang ako yung anino.
Hindi, baka yung pwesto natin, madam, magpalit tayo siguro.
Grabe, oh.
Magpalit tayo. Magpalit tayo ng
Yes.
pwesto. Magpalit tayo, guys. First time po namin ulit na magkasama.
After
Ilang years na.
15 years!
So, wakas, itong trip na to, na isang katuparan na. Ang tagal na namin
Yeah.
pinaplano to ba?
Kasi ininjan niya po ako sa Japan. Ininjan ko ang katotohanan. At ito po ay pambawi niya sa akin.
Bawi ko po kayo. Kinakabahan ako sa bawi na yan.
Yes, yes, yes. Parang makakatipid po ako sa...
Naku, lagot na.
Okay ba yun, guys?
Nagkabayanan niyo po ang aming mga pupuntahan.
Madam Learning.
Ay, sorry.
These are available.
It's raining. It's raining so hard. Apakamalas. Welcome to Welcome to Bali. Yeah. Tapos na kami sa immigration, guys. Hanap na kami ng ATM para makapag-withdraw ng cash. This is the arrivals area. Ang ganda, guys. May pausok-usok pa dun, no? Ooh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Po, ang pupuntahan nyo pag mag-book kayo ng Grab. Paglabas nyo ng may isang may arrival, kakaliwa lang din. Diretso siya. The Grab pick-up point. The work is life, lady.
Live talaga. Sorry, guys.
Sige, mag-work ka na.
Video kan tungo.
Para ilibre mo ko ng food. May panlibre ka sa akin ng food. So, okay lang, sige lang, mag-work ka
Sige,
lang.
Lona eh.
Sino yun?
Yung pins, yung ano ko, inaanak, yung pamangkin ko. Sabi ko mag-work na ako. Sige daw para may pambili daw ng shampoo.
Yes, perfect.
Tapos sabi ko, huwag na lang kaya ako magtrabaho, dito na lang ako. Hindi kailangan daw magtrabaho ako para mag-pera.
Tama. So, in-expect ko mamaya libre ang lunch, libre ang dinner.
Hindi Ka-sure dyan.
Ay, here. Excuse me. $140.
That's correct.
Yes,
Oh,
yes. Yeah,
Get
yes.
airport.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, nangaagaw na.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Guamas.
I want the facial.
I want the foot massage. Ay, sige, ikaw muna
Ako muna. So, my
So
first,
the 2 hours one or 2.5 hour or 2
I would get the
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
So, the starter is the express
Okay, around 3:45 p.m.
345. Okay.
Also mine,
Yes.
the
Same?
120 minutes.
Okay.
Yes. Guys, tapos na kami mag-check-in. Ngayon, since nagbayad kami ng hotel, ubos na agad yung na-withdraw namin. So, hanap ulit tayo ng ATM para makapag-withdraw tayo. Right? Mag-withdraw ulit tayo ng 1.2 M.
1.50 million.
Oh, saan yung tinuturo niya?
So, mag-start muna tayo, madam, bago natin makita kung saan. O, south daw tayo, madam.
Oh, saan yun? Ikaw ang susundan ko, madams. Go eat lunch. No traffic na. Ano ito nga by reservation dito?
Sobrang tato ka ng social media pa nang
Kagdamag madam ha. Your role is booking and inquiry. Yun na, yung damag kayo din. Okay, guys, let's go. Wow, this is so nice.
Oh, it's so refreshing.
Yeah, can you stay here? This is so beautiful. This is the Sukube Bar and Restaurant. Dun po siya. With the view of the beach. magandang view. Ay, dito. Pwede natin dito. Same tayo ng ginagawa.
Sa mga pagtama nga makapaan na dito nga.
That's all.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
May isang dessert.
Dessert, we have one.
Kaya mo gusto mo ng dessert, madam?
Thank you.
That's fine, ha?
Thank you.
That's fine. Umalis na pala siya.
Hindi, kinuha niya yung dessert.
Kinuha.
Yung menu ng dessert.
Meron silang complimentary na starter something. Tignan natin. Guys, ang ganda ng view namin dito. May isang maturog dito yun, madam. Nasa palaging edad dyan yung pagkama. Kaya,
Wow. Thank you. Let's eat. Thank you, Lord.
bali siguro.
Spoon, please.
Ito may rice ako. So, we need, masarap. Oh my gosh.
Medyo dapat siya pa nakain.
Yeah. Any plan?
Plan.
Yeah.
Plan,
Already book our
tour
Tour.
on Friday and Saturday.
Oh.
Yeah, you know the Uluwatu.
Luatu Temple.
Or anything you want to suggest that we could
Ubud
go with?
tour.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, Ubud.
Okay, no.
Oh,
In
that's
200
Oh,
meters,
no
turn
entry.
left onto Jarland Mooney, sorry.
the tour.
Close.
Some roads are closed today.
Oh, I think more better back to other. Yeah.
Other road.
Yeah.
Other roads.
But I'm not seeing school here. Where are your school?
Pardon?
In 80
School.
meters,
School.
turn left onto
Yeah.
Jarland Pantai Kuta.
School course.
We're here again to check in. Five. So, Hogard over. So, sa...
Dito, super. Gusto kaya po paano kaya naman kasi
Left. Left is 505. We're room 505. Guys, bibili muna kami ng pagkain namin bukas sa convenience store. And ang dala rin namin pera kasi hindi magdadala ng bag is 200,000 pesos. Okay? Kasya na kaya to? Let's see.
Pagkakasya
Nakapantulog lang kami lalabas kasi yung outfit namin. Ayan.
Oh, guys.
Naka-schedule na yung outfit namin. Ayan. Schedule na yan. So ngayon, hindi kasi siya kasama. So magpapantulog lang kami. Let's go! Circle K. Gusto ko ng soft drinks.
Dito ang gagastoy? binatang ni Madam.
Jordan! Makapamili na as! Circle K! How much is your bill? 83,500. Mine is 103,500.
Oh,
Yeah.
expensive.
Kasi di parang sparkling wine is
Oh, you
50K.
bought sparkling wine.
Yeah.
Mine is
of course.
Yakult. I bought Yakult.
Okay. Why are we Englishing? Kabalik na kami ng hotel, guys. Nakapamili na kami. Dinner date. Ang naman dito lang, basta dito, flower siya. Dinner tonight. And here's the menu. Wow.
Maybe you can use motorcycle.
Bike, rented bike.
No, you can use app. Grab app.
Grab,
Yeah.
Thank you.
And for the week of Baba, for the dessert, would you like to come together or later after finish my business?
Together.
Come together.
Together. Okay, chef.
Thank you. Nice. You're very pretty, ah.
Pardon?
You're very pretty, ah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, birthday girl.
Happy birthday, girl. Would you help us to sign the yes comment? To know how was your experience during having dinner in our wedding?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Birthday Girl. Okay guys, day 1 tapos na.
Uy, bukas na ako magre-review dun sa aking mahiwagang pilikmat sa...
Okay, go. So ngayon, manonood na tayo ng Netflix para masulit natin yung ating bayad. Okay, let's watch. Good morning! Today is day 2 and 8 a.m. na. So, bababa muna kami and kakain ng breakfast kasi siya, free. Yun yung kasama nung binok namin na hotel. So, hindi pa sana kami bababa so sayang naman yun. So, let's go eat!
You can take away food, you can take because Yeah, it's okay. So I can take away mine. But I will only have coffee here.
One homemade pancake, one coffee, mango juice.
For your food, do you want to take away?
No, I'll eat here.
Mine only.
And for the homemade.
So guys, sorry guys. Sa bakasyon.
May naka-video ka. Madam, sorry. Baka naman sa susunod pa naman yung madam kasama.
Ayun ka na po ba? This is my breakfast with mango juice and coffee. Complimentary breakfast siya ng hotel. Andito na po kami sa room and katapos ko lang maligo kasi magpapa-spa kami dito. But then today wala kami tour kasi it's Navy Day, which is yung silent day nila. So walang mga sasakyan, close yung mga establishments, lahat ng pasyalan sarado siya. So no choice kami, ito lang kami. So nag-decide kami mag-spa na kami later. Ang pastime namin ngayon, manood muna ng Netflix. So, prepare time na kasama ko magliligo. Bababa na kami after para kumain ng lunch and then diretso na kami sa spa. Let's go downstairs. Let's eat lunch.
And also for your information, for our drink on the line.
Ako ang mi goreng.
Matagsunday ka.
Try ko yung mi goreng. Ito yung specialty nila eh. So, I wanna try it. Ganun talaga.
Okay. Please your order, yeah.
One mi goreng.
One with
And one chocolate brownies.
one chocolate brownies,
And one strawberry drink.
For this.
Okay. Anything else? Okay. One mee goreng, one chocolate brownies, one strawberry dream, and one Caribbean dream smoothie. Yeah.
Nice memory, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lunch, this is satay. Satay. And this is mi goreng. And this is strawberry milkshake. Very heavy lunch.
Picture ta madam. Sakto duwa na madam. Sige sa ta.
Ang na ata. After kumain, let's go to the spa. Foot massage.
Yeah.
Balinese massage. And rose petal scrub.
And the second one is energizing. It has lemon, ginger, and cardamom. And this one with sweet lavender, with coconut, and also with bergamot. If you want to try each, you can try a little bit on your
Oh
hand.
yes,
to
please.
taste it.
So I could.
Okay.
Okay.
I like this one. This is mine.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much. I will call the therapist. They'll be here shortly.
Thank you.
And you.
The welcome drink. This is yours. Madam, that's yours. Yeah, enjoy. Enjoy your drink.
I'm excited.
Recommended 2 hour for Miss Lerny. Balinese massage 1 hour, 30-minute facial, and 30-minute rose petal body scrub. Your skin type is dry for the press.
Okay, this is for our product. This is for oil massage, serenity oil and flower balsam oil. This is for scrubbing, rose petal body scrub and for facial, for mist, facial, cleanser, scrubbing, massage cream and gel mask.
Massage is done. May bigay silang complimentary ginger tea. Ginger tea and a biscuit. Let's try. Sarap. Umakyat ulit kami dito sa room and ito makikita mo sa labas. As in, wala talagang tao, guys. Para siyang abandon. Hi! Nandito na ulit kami sa room and mag-momotic movie marathon. Kasi nga, diba, walang tour ngayon. So, dito lang kami sa room, guys. And, movie marathon and food trip. Yung kasama ko hanggang
8 o'clock ako.
8 o'clock lang siya pwede kuhan. Pero ako, kahit hanggang midnight ako, guys. May nakahanda kaming food doon. There! And also, here, yan! Food namin hanggang mamayang gabi. Dito lang kami sa room. Nakita nyo kanina yung labas? Ganun dito lang ng labas. Kaya hindi pwedeng lumabas